Hi, I'm Brother Ben. I'm usher here since COP North Campus.
I've been serving the Lord since 1999. I remember when I said I commit serving the Lord. During that time, I was assigned in the night shift. I was head usher of 10 a.m. in Maine. I go straight on that. All I can give to God is my strength and time. And my family can testify how God bring back the strength the time that they came to me. Before knowing the Lord, mahirap din kami. Sometimes you don't have food to eat on the entire day. I wasn't able to graduate. Those days, naka-experience din kami ng mga trials sa buhay namin. Yung baby namin almost mamatay because of the asthma. And that baby is now an usher. Successful na rin sa career niya. Nakabili na rin siya ng sarili niyang sasakyan. I do not have a degree for my career, but God bless me 10 times of my salary. Before, I always check my ATM if there is already my paycheck. But now, big pass. Hindi na ako nag-check because we have enough. God bless us so much. Yung rep namin before, puro tubig lang talaga laban. But now, it is full of food and mga groceries. So, we are all designed to be a co-laborer of Christ. We live to serve Him and love fully the Lord. Serving is a commitment, regardless the status you were in.
If you just say yes to God, you say yes to the reward He has given to His servant.